Get together. To meet or gather with others. Example: let's get together this weekend and catch up. Get along. To have a friendly relationship. Example: my siblings and I get along well. Get rid of. To remove or throw away something unwanted. Example: I need to get rid of these old clothes. Get through. To finish or survive a difficult situation. Example: we need to get through this project by tomorrow. Get out. To leave or escape. Example: let's get out of here before it starts raining. Get down. To feel sad or depressed, also, to dance. Example: don't let the bad news get you down. Get over. To recover from something, like an illness or heartbreak. Example: it took her weeks to get over the flu. Get back. To return to a place or someone. Example: I'll get back home by evening. Let in. To allow someone to enter. Example: could you let me in? I forgot my keys. Let off. To excuse someone from punishment, or to allow someone to leave. Example: the teacher let us off early today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.